Hi guys, it's me again. I am so sorry for keeping you guys waiting. This is another beautiful dress from us. This is another beautiful dress that I made. I made two dresses. I didn't film the other one, but if you would like to see how I made the other dress, just comment down below and I'm going to make the other dress on this channel and so that you guys can watch and learn. So this is the first design. This is a Boubou dress with a back v-neck design and a little beaded design at the neck area, just like you can see. I designed it with the red brooch fabric I had laying around. So this is how I designed the front of the dress. Is it this red design is detachable. You can either leave it or you can either detach it or add it to the dress. So this is the second dress I also made. This is very beautiful. It's a butterfly design. I also designed it with a red brooch and I give it this stripe design at the front, just a little bit different from the first dress. But if you would like to see how I made this particular dress, you can just comment and I will do that as soon as possible. So this is the outlook of the second dress. I hope you guys love it. Please subscribe to the channel, like and also share. Liking this video will promote the algorithm. We'll send this video to other fashionpreneurs and fashionistas as well. So guys, comment your thoughts on what you think on those beautiful dresses that I made, and if you eventually make yours, also let me know, and let me know. You can also tag me on Instagram or Facebook, Adamma Atelier, or even on TikTok, Adamma Atelier. You can follow me right there. I also share my content there as well. So guys, before further ado, let's get straight into the video. So guys, first off, I am taking out the scarf that I'm going to be using for this dress. I have taught you guys how to fold a Boubou dress on this channel. You can go back to the other Boubou dresses I've made. I think the first one, the yellow dress, yes, I explained in detail how to fold your Boubou dress into four so that you can be able to cut the front and the back together. So previously I had already folded the dress, just like I'm showing you, is folded into four. So since the front is a v neckline and the back is also v-neck, just that the back is going to be the v is going to be will go down much below at my bra area than the front. The front would not show much cleavage, just as the back is going to be more like exposing more of skin at the back. So right now I am just going ahead to cut out the neckline of the dress. I'm going to be using 3.5 for my neck, for the width of the neck. 3.5, I'm going to be using 3.5. Then for the front v-neck, I am going to be using 7.5, just like as you can see. So guys, after marking out the v-neck line, I'm just going to go ahead and cut it. Then after cutting it, I'm going to be removing the pins so that I can take out the front parts and cut the v-neck for the back. So guys, before I take out the back, I am going to cut the sides of the other side of the fabric. You know, I folded it into four places, so I'm just taking out the pins. Then I'm going to cut the sides. I ironed this to lay down flat so that I can also use the line to guide my cutting so I don't make any mistake. This is a Duchess, like a light Duchess fabric, so any mistakes or not folding it or pinning it properly can cause you to make mistakes while you're cutting. So guys, also take note of that. So I have removed the front part of the dress. So as you can see, I also went ahead to mark F on the front so I will not mix it up. So right now I am going ahead now to get my back v-neck. I'm going to be going down a little bit, like 2 inches or 3 inches, so that the down part is the back design is more has more exposure, than the front. So guys, I went down by 2 inches, then I give back that slant line, so I just went ahead and cut it. So guys, after cutting the back v-neck, so I'm just going to add the fabrics again while pinning them down. I'm just going to pin them down so that I can be able to sew the shoulders and also take out opening for my sleeve. My sleeve is 10 inches, so I am sorry that you guys didn't see how I was cutting out, how I was marking the sleeves, but my camera wasn't catching that part, so I just measured 10 inches and I left that open at both sides. So I am doing so for the other side. I left out 10 inches. I'm so sorry guys that my camera wasn't catching this, so that is what I just did right there. So I am going to take this right now to my sewing machine. I am going to sew the shoulder part. I'm also going to be using a bias tape for the v-neck so that that place remains neat and smooth. Then I am going to sew all the parts of the dress. So I have done that right now. I have sewn the shoulders, I have sewn the sleeves, so remaining the v-neck to to bias it with the bias tape. So before I do that, I want to get the space between the v-neck, so to get to, so that I'm going to be using that to know the strip I'm going to be using and to know how it's going to fit around my back area. So right now I have 10 inches for the space across the v-neck. So I am going to go ahead and cut out a fabric that I'm going to be using for that particular stripe. So I'm going to take this right now. I'm going to cut that exact length that I had. I am going to fold it and sew it for the neck area. I am going to sew this first. I am going to bias the v-neck first. I'm going to bias it first before I add the strips, the strip to the back neck design. So guys, I'm going to be using this lace fabric. I'm going to be using it to create a design on the chest area by the left side on my dress, so that this dress doesn't look too black. I'm just going to tack it so that I can decide to remove it. Or so guys, I went ahead to bias the v-neck area, the front. I've added this. I added this strip, this rope, after I have biased the v-neck line at the back. Then I also biased the front. So guys, this is the bead I'm going to be using to design the back. So this is how the bead look like. I just got this pack because I'm not using much, so this is what I'm going to be using. I'm sorry I didn't film that part, but I have so many other dresses I want to film for this channel. So guys, just subscribe, and I'm going to be doing a lot of beaded boubou dresses and every other design. Just stick through. So this is what I'm going to be using. I also plan to use it to design the scarf part, so that is what I was trying to show you guys here. But first off, I'm going to be designing the back and see how the dress looks with it. So guys, that is pretty much it for this video. And after beading the beads to the strip behind the neckline, this is how the dress came out to look. So guys, this is the back view of the dress, and this is the front view of the dress after using the red fabrics to design the front. So this is how the dress came out to look. So guys, it's just a simple dress that you can wear to church, you can wear to an event, you can wear to anywhere. Beautiful dress that you can make within 15 to 20 minutes. You should be done. So guys, this is how the dress came out to look. Hope you love it, hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel. So guys, please subscribe to the channel, like, and also comment your thoughts and share. This is the second dress. If you'd like me to make a tutorial on how to make this butterfly with net design below it, splitted design, yes, because this video is not even doing justice to how beautiful this dress came out to look. The same stripe design I did for the first dress is the same thing I did for the second dress, only that I put the strip design at the front of the dress, but the former one was at the back. So guys, let me know your thoughts on this video, and I can't wait to read them all. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.